What is going on, team? Today we're making a video that we've wanted to make for a long time. We finally hit that lucky 500 subscriber count, and we are happy to be giving away a set of 7-inch LED headlights.
We want to just take a minute to say thank you all so much for your love and support. We really wanted to make a channel that embodied how we spend our time in the garage and just give you guys a chance to see how easy it is to mod the Jeeps. So we are super excited and just wanted to say thank you.
And just as some background, we're not professionals, we're just a couple that likes to spend time in the garage. We both have our personal careers outside of the garage, and we, like Aline was just saying, we like to show how easy it is to get the parts on, get out, go have fun, whether that's driving to the mall, and there's nothing wrong with that, or whether it's doing some light off-roading, heavy off-roading, it really doesn't matter. The key is that we all enjoy our Jeeps, and we're trying to show how easy it is to do so. So in all of our videos, we've been saying we're gonna give away a free set of LED headlights. Well, guess what? Big thank you for your love and support. What we're gonna do is we're still gonna be giving away a set of LED headlights, but you get a choice of one of 3 designs. So first up, 2 of the 3 designs have the daylight running lamp function as well as a turn signal function, and one of them does not. And so the first one is this one right over here. This has 3 rows of LED lights with a single high beam row, as well as the lower and upper daytime running lights and turn signal lights. The second one up is a similar design. It has a total of 4 projectors. 3 of them come on as low beam, 1 of them comes on as high beam. So there's no daytime running light or turn signal function on this one. Last but not least is a very similar one to the previous one. It has 3 low beam lights as well as 1 high beam, but it has a full circle ring of LED running lights as well as an amber blinker light. Now, all 3 of these sets work perfectly. We've tested them. They all plug and play. To get the turn signal function, you actually have to tap into some wires, and we can show you how to do that. There's plenty of videos on YouTube that show that, but you just go ahead and tap in. There's a connector on the rear. And other than that, they're all plug and play. They all get installed perfectly into the Jeep. Now, as a side note, if you have a JK Wrangler, you're gonna need an anti-flicker harness. You don't need this on a TJ, you just need it on a JK. Just as an aside, what's interesting about the flickering harness is Jeep thought it would be a good idea with the halogen bulbs to pulsate the voltage of the lights so that they last longer, because you're not getting the full 12 volts the whole time. Now, because halogen headlights have a low response time, you don't actually notice a difference in real life. However, LEDs respond very quickly, so you quickly notice that they start flashing, which is no good. So that's why you're gonna need an anti-flicker module separately unless you're okay with the flickering. Now, all 3 sets of these headlights are extremely bright. They're much brighter than stock. They're all projector style, so they're all focused too, so they don't blind everyone around you. They're all awesome choices. You can't go wrong with any of these choices. I'll put all 3 links in the description below, just in case you want to check them out, check out other reviews. They're all rated really well on Amazon, and we'll go from there.
So the way to enter the drawing is going to be leave a comment below in the video. There's 2 things you need to leave in your comment. The first thing we want to know is which set of the headlights you want. The second thing you're going to write is what vehicle you're going to put it on, because we're just curious who we're reaching out to. Make sure to leave that comment below, and 1 week from when we timestamp that post of the video, we're going to close the comments. Once all the comments come in, we're going to print them out, cut out your names, put it in a bag, and 1 lucky subscriber is going to win the headlights of their choice. If you have not subscribed yet, it is not too late to subscribe and get added into the drawing. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you still leave a comment below, and you'll still be entered in the drawing. As always, thank you all so much for your love and support. We cannot be happier. You guys have been so supportive through this journey. We can't wait to continue, and we are very excited to be giving 1 lucky subscriber a free pair of LED headlights.
Maybe it's gonna be Jerry. Who knows? Jay, you want some headlights? Yeah? What are you gonna put it on? Your little Seedmobile?